The Minister for Power, Adebayo Adelabu, has ordered the immediate replacement of aged equipment as part of the recommendations to stop the incessant collapse of the national grid. Adelabu also directed the Transmission Company of Nigeria and all other relevant agencies of the ministry to begin the immediate implementation of the recommendations of the Interagency Committee, set up to address the incessant grid collapses in the power sector. The minister's marching order came as the TCN reported that the national grid experienced a disturbance at approximately 11:29 a.m. on Thursday, November 7, 2024, which was caused by a sudden rise in frequency from 50.33 Hz to 51.44 Hz, marking the 11th of such incidents since January 2024. The special advisor to the Minister on Strategic Communications and Media, Bolaji Tunji, in a statement, quoted the minister as saying that all relevant agencies in the ministry must brace up for immediate implementation of the recommendations of the committee, which was submitted on Wednesday, November 6, 2024. The investigative panel reviewed that the poor maintenance culture, inadequate and aged equipment, among other challenges, are the underlying reasons for the incessant collapses of the national power grid witnessed in recent months. It also outlined recommendations to be achieved in 1 month, 6 months, and 1 year. Meanwhile, the Transmission Company of Nigeria has indicated the latest national grid collapse, which occurred twice within 72 hours, may not be the last, as such failures are likely to persist. Punch correspondents confirmed that as of 11 a.m., the 22 power plants were only able to generate 2,322 megawatts of electricity, with generation dropping to 0.00 megawatts. But providing an update on the issue, the transmission company said it is working to find a lasting solution through significant repair work on several critical transmission lines and substations, which may increase the electricity load on functional equipment. Stay tuned to NaijaNews TV for verified and reliable news updates.